How to buy stupid CTO token. So this token came under the symbol of stupid. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token is available on Mexc, but before that, make sure to check their X account and check their Telegram channel and check their community. As you can see, they have 254 members there. Now go and open your Mexc account like that. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mexc to benefit from rewards. After that, what you need to do is just click here in the search bar and type stupid like that. Now select the pair that have USDT like that. So click on it and wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do after this, just click on don't show this and accept. Now here you can type how much you want to buy of that USDT on your account, and now you will be able to see here how much you receive that token. After that, click here on buy stupid and you will be able to receive your token in about a few seconds or a few minutes. So this is easy and simple, and this is how to buy a stupid token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.